Alright guys, we're going to try and start this motor. Here's the electric. I'm out of gas. Oh, there we go. So there you go. That's the third or fourth carburetor on this machine, and it still surges, but not as bad as the last one. So there we go. Okay guys, we got a problem. I've had this snowblower running in front of you once. It's running fair. Oh my gosh, furnace just quit. But now this bolt was a 1/4 inch bolt, and the threads were stripped, and every time you pull on the rewind, you could hear it clink. And you could hear the housing go clink or whatever. So if I don't fix that, this will break again. Not this, but the little lever that catches these cogs here. So I am going to tap this out to 5/16. I just drilled a hole for a 5/16 nut. That's how I measure them. All right, 1 second. Okay, so there's a 5/16 nut, and I just take a drill bit and drill a hole for that, and then we tap it out. So I'll be back in a bit again. Okay, I'm seriously getting somewhere, but it's hard going because I have to use a small crescent wrench on there instead of the T-handle, because I don't have the width across here to use the T-handle, and I don't have a little tiny square socket so I could put an extension on it and drive it from back here. Eh? So yes, once again we have to use our imagination. But I'm not going to film this because it's taking all my concentration just to do it. I'll come back when the hole is tapped. So you can see I'm getting somewhere. You can see the end of the tap coming through the welded nut, and that's a hardened nut too. A lot of hardened nuts around here. Alrighty, I've got a half inch bolt by 5/16 thread, and that should thread into there now with any luck at all, and I've got an extension now to help me out. Oh. All the way. Beautiful. Okay. So now I just have to make sure that we have a 1/2 inch hole in the side of the housing that's going to go on there. It goes up like that, and there isn't quite It's not quite there, eh? Well, it is, but I think I'm going to make a one step up hole. So now I'm going to put this all back together again, and we'll see how well she runs. Right there. Yep. So this was all caused because somebody used a self-tapping screw and a 1/4 inch tap. We got her now though. And it was hard to reach. Now I get it. I mean, it might have been a field repair, right? But there we go. I'm just adding this tiny bit of a video just to show you that things like this can really muck a guy's world up. Okay, the side door's open. Choke. 3/4 throttle. Electricity on the starter. Fuel on. Oh, we need a spark plug. That's funny. All right. It should fire right off the bat. Well, that's a beautiful thing. Let's start it with the rope. I'll do that again. All right, she doesn't surge anymore. Perfect. All right, guys, I don't want you to laugh at me, but I should have been doing this all along, eh? I'm only 61 years old. So I'm going to change the oil right into the bucket here, if I can. Of course, I dropped it. Thanks.